The modern job market is competitive. Thousands of applications flood in for desirable positions. A random approach is ineffective. Targeted applications are the solution. Focus your energy on a smaller number of carefully selected roles. This allows for deeper research and more personalized applications. This focused approach leads to higher quality applications. It also reduces wasted effort on unlikely prospects. Ultimately, targeted applications increase your chances of landing interviews and job offers. Before applying, take time for self-reflection. What are your core skills? What type of work truly motivates you? What are your career goals? With this clarity, research industries and companies that align with your aspirations. Look beyond job titles. Focus on company culture, values, and growth opportunities. Prioritize quality over quantity. Don't be afraid to be selective. Applying for fewer, highly targeted positions will yield better results in the long run. Generic applications are quickly dismissed. To stand out, invest time in researching each company and position. Carefully study the job description. Identify the key skills and experience they seek. Showcase how your background aligns with their specific needs. Go beyond simply matching keywords. Demonstrate a genuine understanding of the company's challenges and how you can contribute to their success. Targeted applications require significant effort. Effective time management is crucial. Set realistic goals for research and application completion. Finding detailed information about every company can be difficult. Utilize online resources, professional networks, and informational interviews to gather insights. Maintain authenticity throughout the process. Don't exaggerate your skills or experience. Focus on showcasing your genuine strengths and enthusiasm. Section 5. Transferable skills. Bridging the gap between sectors. Switching career paths can feel daunting. However, your existing skills are often more transferable than you realize. Identify core skills developed in your previous roles: communication, problem-solving, leadership, and so on. Highlight how these skills translate to your desired field. Provide concrete examples of how you've used these skills successfully in the past. Quantify your accomplishments whenever possible to demonstrate impact. Section 6. Thought leadership, framing your expertise for maximum impact. Positioning yourself as a thought leader strengthens your application. Share your knowledge and perspectives through online platforms. Write blog posts, articles, or social media updates related to your field. Participate in relevant online communities and discussions. This demonstrates your passion and expertise to potential employers. It also helps you build a professional network and stay updated on industry trends. Section 7. Strategic networking. Building relationships for career growth. Networking is invaluable for career advancement. Connect with people in your desired field and companies. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and leverage online networking platforms like LinkedIn. Focus on building genuine relationships, not just seeking favors. Offer your insights, ask thoughtful questions, and be genuinely interested in others. Section 8. The long game. Embracing rejection and continuous improvement. Job searching is rarely linear. Rejections are part of the process. Don't let them discourage you. View them as learning opportunities. Develop a system for tracking your applications and interview experiences. Analyze what worked well and what could be improved. Embrace continuous learning and skill development. The job market is constantly evolving. By staying adaptable and improving your approach, you increase your long-term career success.